Severe northwestern rains have caused massive destruction in the Barkathal area under the Simna constituency, washing away approximately 7 Kani or paddy land. The intensity of the rainfall was so high that the farmland has reportedly been transformed into a river-like state. On Thursday, local MLA and Minister of State Brishaketu inspected the affected sites alongside officials from the Water Resource Department and local farmers. Speaking to the media, the minister expressed deep concern over the livelihood of the farmers and noted that discussions are underway with the department to ensure proper drainage and water diversion. He also voiced serious apprehension regarding further damage as the monsoon season approaches.
रामसाधु पाराओ फाइस्थ फाइजार पश्चिम तमाकारी ते बरकाथाल और दुईटा एरिया वो चिनी वाती वामा बाय चिनी लुकुरो की खेत कबामा नस्ट्रंगमान बागैनो चिनी विजिट थाइमानी इधर वाटर रिसोर्स एग्जीक्यूटिव पे एसडी रखनो इंजीनियर सह जों बेरायनायखा जे एलाकानि लुकुरोनि खेत नस्ट्रंमा बाय चिनी बखा खामो जे बर'नि आबोथ' पार्मानेन्ट सम्पत्ति आ सम्पत्ति रक नस्ट्रंखाय Sinango belakeno kostongo oro mai khaising sajamani ja amuni hote rokhamana bagino tini official by visit thake survey khaijaknai bobo haike o khetorokno sing kakhlaimani hote bondo khaimana amuni singai
Pure report, Chini Khorang.